As pathologists, we're the doctors of the cells. Roughly 30% of the world data is healthcare. Almost 80 to 90% of that imaging will be pathology. My name is John Groth. I'm a physician and specifically a pathologist at Endeavor Health. At Endeavor, we have 9 different hospitals in the state of Illinois. Our vision is to be there for every patient wherever they are. Traditionally in pathology, we've used microscopes to take tissue and visualize it. That's been done since really the 1600s. With traditional pathology, I have to phone call, send an email, put it on the courier. Now what we do is we take that slide, that patient tissue, and transform it into a digital environment where we're able to view it on screens. That gives access to AI. What we really saw was that there was 3 main barriers. Scalability is a critical part. The second was the interoperability component. And then the third was just adoption. How do you make this in a way so that people want to use it? Google allows us to integrate all of those components. Pathologists are humans. It's really the adage in informatics that a human plus a machine will be the optimum solution. The efficiency gains we've seen up to 40% initially. We're expecting an overall between 10 and 30%. It was really about finding that partner that was passionate about the work in healthcare and doing things in a way that is interoperable. And so Google Cloud is really leading that from an imaging perspective with opportunities in things like the data warehouses, like BigQuery really allows for an opportunity to integrate all of that healthcare data. In terms of the size, the average size is about 1.3 gigabytes, and then we would do about 1.5 million individual slides. Add AI without thinking about the infrastructure and how the pieces fit together, things fall down. With Gemini, our healthcare system is leveraging our digital pathology environment within the Google Cloud platform for analytics. Studies have shown about 90% of patients actually feel stress reading a report. And so taking that and converting that into a language that they feel comfortable with is critical. This is a very exciting thing that we're partnering with Google Cloud and Gemini to do. Upwards of 80% of patients are wanting access to their images and to be able to see it, and they want to see it wherever they are, the vast majority being on a mobile device. Partnering with companies like Google with multimodal generative AI, they can put their image in and have that explain it to them. And so there's a multitude of ways we can do this to leverage the technology to help patients truly understand their disease. It allows for every patient to have access to expert care. Together with Google Cloud and Endeavor Health, we're building a new way to do digital pathology.